还有小的鱼是 Nemo。
Is he orange with white stripes and looks kind of like you, only smaller?
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who? Hi, I'm Dory. I love games.
Jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of blue.
That's jellyfish!
You're good. And I'm thinking
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
all right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
那鲨鱼，对，鲨鱼，鲨鱼。
Nemo! Why don't you drop by for a little bite? Oh, what a beautiful little bite!
Check out the Grommets chilling sub-level. Let's talk to the dude at the back of the floor on this side, rocking that yellow shell.